With those words of introduction, let us welcome our chief guest, Turang Balena Tumadwata, to deliver the Ratu Sukuna Day launching address. Pinasa Walibu.
If I may, ladies and gentlemen, the outset, may I begin in the vernacular. Ni sati kona turanga na minista ni vika waitoke to aviti kena tovo ni dosati wa turanga mbale amasini bunua e tolu sati kona telefono wa turanga. Namanda uwe kinda waiti wiki muni na matani kuwa. Ena no muni ala mai na no muni tiku ngoi no matelebu. Me wana no miki na songo mbale tana turanga mbale. Na turanga ni talai sambale. Turanga na tilau. Ratu Sukuna. Musunda tiunga na turanga ke ramarama ni no matelebu. Ena no muni lo masuli. Na no muni ala vina ko muni kutamai wiki mami. Na singa bimbingo ni akilai ni araba mawe tana kena non robin karabi arana keni talanoa ni aramai ngora mai vador no butu bunua na vika so en deli bunua I bunua lebu ye kamaru te ki wiki mami na no ni numa me kuma ina kena maru te kena singa ngo me bona numi banda titale chego kina na ibarao ni bili utaki na ibarao ni bibaruta ke raba razor na turang ne trai sambale kwenda same tauza tungo no bwana yenda baru bina walebu no simboliti ko de bina obubuli ke na buno saba oni saba na matatikina na turang na minsta ke no muni polisilisi ena no muni tutua membala te tinga na bilu tegi binaka ke na tumbiri dake na bilu tegi bonua me bangon ko te talekina no nda kalawa na kawi toke ne be singini mataka o toro ngono gomo no ko na te kemuni an gumasu me na vakalonga taka na madla bina kongo na tamanda sa de sara ke ne be singini mataka ena no nda kalawa yani no nda no mutiko na kuninda ula to ndua ni te chiku talanga oira te chiku wata chiku me na ko tira wata chiku ne be singini mataka Mendo tunga ni tabi mo walmina te kimuni chini balam. So I am a kenelem. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The Minister for Itauke Affairs, Culture, Heritage and Arts, the Assistant Minister for Itauke Affairs, Culture, Heritage and Arts, the sitting members of the Great Council of Chiefs from the Konrobe, Mbua and Maduata, acknowledge the Turanga Timbua and the Tinavana, and the other members of the Great Council of Chiefs who are sitting here this morning. The Commissioner Northern, the Office of Commissioner Northern, heads of division up in Labasa, invited guests, government officials, teachers and students. A special welcome to you all this morning. Thank you for being here, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor and a pride and heartfelt gratitude that we gather here today in the vibrant heart of Labasa to launch the 2025 Ratu Sukuna Day celebrations. This year's theme, Celebrating Visionary Leadership in the North, is more than just a tribute to a towering figure in our nation's history. It is a call to action and a moment of reflection and affirmation of the values that binds us as Fijians. Bringing the Ratu Sukuna Day celebrations to the North is both symbolic and historic. Labasa, with its rich cultural tapestry, resilient communities, and proud heritage, represents the very spirit of unity and progress Ratu Sukuna envisioned. Hosting these celebrations here is a recognition of the North's enduring contribution to national development and is a reminder that leadership and greatness has no geographical boundaries. Ratu Sukuna, ladies and gentlemen and students, was a man ahead of his time. He was a statesman, a scholar and a soldier, and a true servant of the people. From the battlefields of Europe in the World War I to the corridors of governance where he shaped the framework of modern Fiji. His life was marked by sacrifice, vision, and unwavering belief in the power of unity and education. He was the first Fijian to earn a university degree, and his leadership helped lay the foundation of our land tenure system, preserving our identity while enabling national progress. But perhaps his most enduring legacy lies in the values he upheld: dignity, discipline, service, and vision. These are the very values we must instill in our children and youth of today. As we honor Ratu Sukuna, we have to ask ourselves, are we preparing the next generation to lead with the same integrity, with the same wisdom, and the same courage? This celebration in the North is not only to honor the past, but to inspire the future. This is a platform to engage our young people, to teach them leadership is not defined by title or status, but by service, resilience, and a commitment to something greater than oneself. Over the coming days, we celebrate through traditional ceremonies, educational programs, art, music, and storytelling. And let us remind our children who this distinguished gentleman, Ratu Sukuna, was, and who they can become. I remember when I was at the State House, I get visitors from school kindergartens, primary schools, secondary schools, and tertiary to visit the State House as part of their programs. And one of the questions that I ask, what do they want to be when they grow up? I remember one young child said, she wanted to be the president. And one young child said, they wanted to be a commander. And I said, there's nothing difficult in this world, if you follow the pillars that I had just mentioned, that the visions that Ratu Sukuna led, you can become that. But you can let his life be a compass that guides the dreams and ambitions of every young boy and girl in the North across Fiji. In closing, ladies and gentlemen, let us not celebrate only a great man, but the spirit of visionary leadership that lives in the communities. Let the Kondrobe, Mbua, and Madhuata shine as a beacon of unity, wisdom, and progress in the spirit of Ratu Sukuna. We now level, and may this celebration be a source of inspiration to all of us. Thank you.
Invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we will now move to the next part of the program, and that is the cutting of the celebration cake, which I will invite the Minister for Itoke Affairs, Honorable Vasu, to please escort the chief guest to where the cake has been placed on the table. Representing the Vanua, we will invite the Ngone Turangana Tuimbua to be part of the cutting of the celebration cake. And representing the Lotu, we will invite Reverend Ilmeleki Susu, present with us. We'll also request a representative from our children, if one male and a female can stand with the entourage that is there to cut the celebration cake.
A big round of applause, please. We are coming to the end of the soft launch this morning. I will now invite the Divisional Planning Officer, Mr. Setaraki Nkuimboda, to move the vote of thanks.
It's a privilege and honor for me to move the vote of thanks for this very auspicious occasion. Your Excellency, Sir, your valuable insight and wisdom has inspired us all. Despite your busy schedule in the serving the Vanua of Doma Televu and its people, your contribution, knowledge you shared today will inspire everyone, and especially the young generation and the future for tomorrow. Your unwavering leadership and wisdom has made Fiji today. Thank you, sir. To the Honorable Minister for Ethiopian Affairs, the Honorable Assistant Minister, and the government of the day. Thank you in allowing this celebration to happen after a lapse of more than 16 years. Moving the celebration to the north, it's not just a history, but a symbolic and a blessing to the Vanua and its people. Thank you, sir, for your wisdom, courage, and knowledge, restoring what was lost and reviving our future and building a future Fiji rich with its culture, tradition, and of course inspiring the young generation for a prosperous future. To the Vanua, sa ilalanga besi, ngone turanga, na tui the kau na isokula. Sa kai the kau ni tambua ngone turanga na tuimbua. Lau matelebu ngone turanga sa kana turanga na tui moduata tau kei mbola tangani. Kena bintele ni abu turanga, retiko sa kana songo mbimbi ena singa sa kanikua. Mina boleh unon ra ngarabi sa katiko na leo ni Vanua. Mera Vanua sautu lotu baka binaka kakilaira bakaira. Endo sa kana itabi mbimbi oni dolat sa katiko. Ngalu-ngalu tiku kina kandonyo sa katiko nangau na mbole-mbole nangau na ongo kina bura-bura e bibi sau. Mina boleh usa kana alu binaka kina loloma. Kina lotu turang sa kana itala-tala tambata na sea kina wasa-wasa libo maduata. Na boleh usaha na bibarara matakitiko ena kena sangai na tamata milotu baka binaka be chisu membulo biti kena kawa tamata. To the future of tomorrow, our students, you've heard what was being shared today. The future is not ahead, it's now. Building for now will determine how we pave the Fiji for tomorrow. Go out there and light Fiji. Be the future that creates change, peace, prosperous and resilient Fiji. To all invited guests, head of departments in the North, we sincerely thank you for your unwavering support, and we hope that the event this week will bring light as we reflect and celebrate the life of Ratu Sukuna, Lalambalabu, Ratu Sukuna. We now thank you and God bless Fiji.
Mr. Nkuimboda. Please be seated, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as our chief guest is escorted by the Honorable Minister for Ethiopian Affairs to view the displays provided by the National Archives of Fiji and Fiji Museum.